Welcome to this session here. Do you want to build your email list of prospective customers जो आपके cold audience है using Facebook ad, Instagram ad or online marketing? Email list in the sense कि people can provide their email address, mobile number or their name also, so that you can you can nurture them, you can attract them, you can add the value and build your email list. So email list nowadays, before I start this one dosto, I will be giving you 5 tips which you can implement in your business right now to build your funnel or build your, you can run your ad on the Facebook to build your email list at amazing price, like less than 10 rupees, less than 20 rupees cost per lead. Okay guys, so please watch this lesson till the end and I will be sharing you amazing tips right now. So first of all, before I jump into this, Dostoki, if you are not aware about me, my name is Datta Tule. I'm a digital growth consultant, Facebook ad expert, and coaching over 10,000 plus entrepreneurs in India right now. So first, let me tell you why this list building is really important. So some of you might be some might be thinking कि Datta यार email list is dead or email is no longer working. So first of all, let me bust that myth. दोस्तों ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि email is not working till. Still email is the one of the best asset in your business, digital asset जो आपके कस्टमर की email address आपके पास है. Why? Because जो लोग email read करते हैं, people who read the emails or open the email, they are really deep learner, serious learner. I'm telling you, still in the online marketing, internet market, email marketing is really important. Okay, so let's go and let me give 5 tips to build your email marketing campaign without any further delay. First tip जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, develop an email marketing plan. So for example, collecting the leads by running ad on Facebook, or I'm doing this Facebook live, or you might be watching video on the YouTube as well. So this is the pre-content. But before that one, you need to create the email marketing plan. Might be email marketing plan in the sense you can use any of the basic tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit. I'm using ConvertKit, GetResponse. I recommend you. It can be anything जहाँ पे people can from your website, from your landing page, or even from lead ad itself. If you're running ad on lead ad on the Facebook, people can fill up their data and there has to be some tool जहाँ पे आप उनका data store कर सकते हो. Okay, a plan is all about like nurturing system. Might be the welcome email, educational email, customer testimonial. You can create a series of emails which you can educate your target customer on the, might be on your product, solution, their problems. So basically what you can do, you can develop the plans and write down 6 to 7 email address or 30-day email plan, depends on your target market. So you need to create that plan. If anybody opt in your email list, you need to have proper email planning. Like they should get automated emails on their challenges. Might be, suppose what in case if somebody want to learn about online marketing, what I do actually keep, what are the top 5 problems you are facing and how you can solve those problems. Might be question answer, interviews, your story, your brand story, your about your product, and mostly about your customer. Okay, so first create the plan to get the leads. Okay, second tip I'm giving you here, select in Facebook, there are different objectives like lead generation ad, messaging ad, traffic campaign, video views, conversion ad. In case you are completely new, you can check on the Facebook, or different goals are there. What you can do without landing page, in case you don't have landing page, you can still select the lead generation in the Facebook. So now lead generation select करने के बाद inside Facebook itself, inside Facebook people can fill up their name, email address, mobile number. They can provide, or whatever you want to collect cities. Like suppose I have one client from interior design, so they need city location. Okay, or some client or somebody some from like automobile, they need some car model. It can be anything. So what you can do, you can run the ad inside Facebook as a lead ad without landing page. Okay, inside Facebook. And the most important thing in that one, I will give some tips here quickly. Even though you can run messaging ad, but I want to give you lead ad. Might be you can allocate 300 500 rupees budget there, or daily budget. I'm talking about that one. You can generate the leads, and but lead generation ke liye you have to give something back. I mean to say, like right now I'm running one ad, you can check on the Facebook as well, my 5 free secret Facebook tools. See, listen to guys, lead magnet है मेरा, they can download my PDF file. So I have simple landing page, they can click on that one, they can download, and उसके बदले में they will provide me most of my target audience, they will provide me email address, mobile number, and their name, so they can download it free. Okay, that one thing. Second, now the most important thing here, third tip is really important. Clarify your target audience. Very important part. Whenever you are running ad on the Facebook or Instagram or any platform, we need to have super clarity about the target customer. Unka, what is their age group, their cities, their interests, their habit, their behaviors, their purchase behavior, their business profile. You need to have that clarity कि boss मेरा सही customer कौन है. And I teach more in my workshop as well as my program how to find your dream customer. So in Facebook, like there are different types. Like you can select their city, gender, interest, purchase behavior, their habits, like are their online buyer, online spender. You need to find that one. Suppose in my case, if I'm targeting entrepreneurs, I can go to the Facebook and search business owner, tick, 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 business owner. If you are somebody like selling product, like automobile product, you can find somebody having like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, or if you are an interior business, for example, you can find somebody who is interested in interior design, or somebody selling dog food, you can find people who is having dogs, or you are in training, coaching, consulting business, people who are willing to learn online. So basically you can create your customer persona. That's really important part to generate the leads, right leads, not a unqualified leads. Okay, so please design your customer persona. Answer 7 questions. Name, let's see, name, not a name, basically gender, age group, then we can have like gender, age group, then you can have like their interest, their behavior, then their purchase behavior, their problems, their dreams. You can write down all those things. Okay, in the customer persona I teach that part, you have to think about your customer. That is the third tip. And all of you guys, if you are just living live people here, type in comment box. Amazing. And dosto, fourth tip is really important. Choose what information have to collect. Now it's really important part. Like I call it, you can have the lead form, opt-in form. In the lead ad, you can have lead form. In lead form, there are different fields. But I strongly recommend you to at least collect their name, email address, mobile number. 3 things. There should not be too much information collection or too less. 3 things is really important. Why? Mobile number, you can have like SMS automation communication aap kar sakte ho, or why email, you can connect with that one, you can build the list. Okay, choose, decide as per your business, but keep it minimum 3 field maximum: name, email address, phone number. If you are not collecting all that, then we are losing the money in the pipe, because how can we communicate? Money is in follow-up. 4th tip. Okay, and 5th tip, dosto, 5th tip to launch your campaign or get the leads from Facebook or any platform. Write the ad copy that emphasize your target audiences to subscribe. So suppose you are selling something, you are giving something for free. All of you, my viewers here, might be free download, free sample, free webinar, or free consulting. It can be anything. So now Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Facebook, these are only platforms. We pay them to show what we want to show. Now, if your ad copy suck, आपका ad copy अच्छा नहीं है, आपका headline अच्छा नहीं है, आपका sub headline अच्छा नहीं है, then we cannot blame the Facebook or Instagram कि बस Instagram काम नहीं करता है, Facebook काम नहीं करता है. We have to create compelling ad copies, like what you want to write. There's a simple formula: hook, story, offer. Okay, 3 things only. What is the pain point of the market? You can share your story, some tips, and give them strong call to action in the ad copy. Is really important part. Okay, that is the part. Please write ad copy properly. And now 6th information is really important part. If you are doing Facebook Live, paid ad, if you are doing paid ad, free ad, lead ad, anything, always have strong call to action. Might be download, learn more, register now, subscribe now, like. It can be anything. How many believe that one? We need to have strong call to action. मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ call to action clearly देना चाहिए. How many believe that one? Otherwise, marketing के अंदर call to action नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. Okay, so let me recap all 5 tips again. See, if you see here, my today's topic was like first of all, 5 tips to grow your email list using Facebook ad. The first thing, please develop the email marketing plan. The 7 days or 30 days plan, educational. There are three. I recommend three kind of emails. First of all, educational, educate your audiences, customer. You can like talk about your story. Plus, you can have like some discussion about the objection and the market problems. You can create proper email sequence amazingly to educate them. And second, मैंने बोला था आपको कि in inside Facebook there are different objectives. आप you can select lead generation campaign objective initially. Lead generation is the to getting started. Conversion, I highly recommend conversion ad. मैं आप लोगों को conversion ad recommend करता हूँ. But the lead, you can start with the lead generation. Okay. And third, दोस्तों बताना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे design your customer persona. It's my favorite and I strongly believe guys. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कितना importance है. You might have best website, best product, best solution in your field. बहुत कुछ बढ़िया हो सकता है, लेकिन आप सही एड सही कस्टमर को नहीं दिखाते, then it will not work for you. Like showing the dog food ad to जिसके पास कुत्ता ही नहीं है, लेकिन मतलब जो कुत्ते का खाना होता है डॉग फूड, जो आप एड दिखाना है, if you show that ad जिसके पास कुत्ता नहीं है, they are not interested, they will not react. So please design your customer persona, like their age group, their interest, their habit, their persona. In the Facebook that you learn, purchase behavior, business behavior, personal profile is that important. And I teach a lot in my workshop also. And fourth, choose what information to collect, like key, name, email address, phone number, etc. And fifth, write the compelling ad copies. Ad copy is really important, guys. Both important hai ad copy ka. The Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, these are the medium only to communicate. Even the phone call. What you say in the ad copy on the phone call, how many people agree with on this point? If you are watching this recording, ad copy both important hai. What you say in the video, or what you say in the ad copy, or what you say in the phone call, that has to be laser focus, point shooting style, hook story offer. अच्छा सा hook होना चाहिए, attention grabbing होना चाहिए, value addition होना चाहिए, to the point होना चाहिए, and it has to be relevant. Create ad copies and include strong call to action. If you do all 4-5 steps and you don't add call to action strong, you can test sign up now, book now, live, subscriber, etc. Okay guys, so these are my tips for you in this 2021. If you are watching this video, please implement. And I want to ask you guys, what did you learn from this lesson? What did you learn? If you are watching on this YouTube or Facebook, please share in the comment box below कि आपने क्या सीखा. But most important thing, if you want to create me a lot of video like this one on Facebook ad, online marketing, funnel building, domination, training, coaching, consulting, it can be anything. Please, what is the video? What is the topic? आपको कौन सा topic है? Do you want me to create video? Please share in the description. I will shoot video on that part. Also, beside that one, if you really like this video, please watch again, implement that one. If you really love, then subscribe to my channel or like or share with your friends. That's the important part. Also, if you are really damn serious about learning, then I would like to invite, because you can check the links below. You can go to datatule.co/digital growth, one of my upcoming event, live event. We can have a lot of interactions, live coaching, and so more deep knowledge. Okay, guys. So I would like to see you there. Until then, I'm signing off for today, दोस्तों. But बताना चाहूँगा दोस्तों, even though there is challenging time, कभी भी learning stop मत करो. Language should not be challenged. Your background should not be challenged. It doesn't have to be challenged. Just one thing here. Keep learning, keep growing, and taking massive. Okay? So signing off for today, Datatule. Until we meet again in the upcoming video or upcoming workshop. Until then, one, take care, goodbye, and see you live in the Upcon. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much.